So what was next on the list of things to do?
Template editor.
Is that the next one?
I think so.
Very good. Right, so back into that post I was in. So I chose to call my template Tatum. I'm going to change it back to the default template and update it, and we'll view that, and we'll see it looks like I expected it to be. This is the standard template for the WP Pompey website, and this is being produced by PHP. If I go back in to edit this post and change it back to the template called Tatum, we can now start constructing our own template for display. Now, because it's limited functionality, because full site editing isn't yet available and all the blocks aren't there, there is limited capability of what you can do. And we're now inside the template editor. I clicked on edit. I'll go back and do it again. So here we are in the template section of the post, and we can see the list of different templates. I could create a new one, or I could edit an existing one. And the existing template is now displayed, and we can see using the list view that this template consists of a group which contains the site title and tagline, and there's a separator, then there's another group which contains another group which has the post title, and then a block which is the post content. And that post content is now being displayed as the real content from the post. So this is what I wrote in the post. If I click on it, you can see it's selected, highlighting all of the blocks within that post content. Now, I can change this template, so I can add in additional blocks, so I can remove certain blocks. So let's go back into the group block and insert before a block, and let's try to use the site logo. This is one of the new blocks for WordPress 5.8. So we now have a site logo. Now I'm going to make it rounded, and I'm going to update it. There's your little dot there still appearing, Paul. So I've now changed the content for some reason, and I've also changed the template. Not sure how I changed the content. But now we should now see the site logo appearing squished because there's something wrong with the theme. It doesn't appreciate. I need to change something in style.css. The site title and site tagline, and then there's my content. Now it's all completely wide width because I haven't told it anything about it. But here, if you're going to be creating a landing page, for example, maybe that's what you want to do, have a nice wide width page. So go back into edit, go back into editing the post again, and I want to edit the template. I have to choose that one. Let's go and choose the group here and change it to give it the background color. And can we, what else can we do? Can we change the width of it? Layout. No, apparently not. Now this could be because I haven't told it that I can change the layout, but that again seems a bit strange. So I've started constructing this new template with a little bit of colour in it.
Can you do a save as, so you can copy an existing one and modify that, or do you have to create from scratch?
It says in the documentation that you can have the system create a sample, provide a particular sample for you, but no, you can't change one and change the name of it. So yes, even though it's called a template, you can't use templates as templates. And that's true of Gutenberg as well at this moment in time. I've specified it somewhere as a requirement, but it's not an individual issue. If you are working in full site editing and you've created a template, then of course you can take the HTML and copy it, rename it and do it that way, but you don't have a save as capability, no.